guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tracy Bish and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Central Victoria, Australia. Welcome, I'm really happy to have you here. We're going back to the way I used to do things with some recorded videos over the next few weeks. I'm taking a little bit of time off with some family and friends to just rest and have a little bit of a break over the Christmas season. So I hope that wherever you are, you have a lovely Christmas and that you get a little bit of time off as well. I have recorded videos for you for the next couple of weeks to keep you entertained while you're on holidays, or keep you entertained if you're not on holidays, you're still working through. But we have some really great videos coming out for you. So this week's Tracy's Sunday challenge is last minute gifts. We are so close to Christmas and I'm sure we all could probably do with a few last minute gifts. I have a doozy of a one today. It's actually a take back of a previous video that I did. So let me show you the project of what I did previously. I think it was last year or the year before. It's been a little while. It's this one here, absolutely gorgeous, self-closed box. We're going to create one exactly like this, but using new products from the Occasions catalogue. So let me bring it in and show you. This is my sample here using the Gingerbread and Peppermint DSP. And there's no stamping on this at all. This is fussy cut from that DSP. It's so cute. These would make really great place settings or just gifts to give out with some different treats inside. Or you could put a present in there as well. So let's get over and we'll get started. Okay friends, this box is, although we're doing it for Christmas, it could be done for any occasion, a birthday, a christening, you name it. There's so many different things you could pop inside. I'm using the Peppermint and Gingerbread DSP. This is gorgeous. Have a look at this. And what I really like about this DSP is you don't have to stamp with it. You could just fussy cut all those beautiful images. So we're doing a green one. We've got a blue one there. We've got a red one there. Let's do an old olive one. So we're starting off with old olive cardstock. It measures 6 by 8.5. We're going to score on the short side at 2 inches and 4 inches. And then on the 8.5 inch side, we're going to score at 2, 4, 6 and 8 inches. And that is our basic box. So we're going to do a little bit of scoring as well with that little tiny tab on the left hand side. What we're going to do is we're going to bring the stylus and my ruler, and we're going to mark from those two score lines, so from the top to the bottom, or from the bottom to the top as I'm showing you right now. And the easiest way is to pop your stylus or your scoring tool on that point and then move your ruler to the next point, and it just works really well. So I've brought the bone folder in. We're just going to score really quickly on all those score lines, and then those diagonal score lines, we're just going to fold them back and score with the score line, with the scorer as well. So that's what we're left with. Let's do a little bit of cutting of our box here. So on the bottom, these are our bottom flaps for our box. We're just going to score, we're not scoring, we're cutting up onto each of those, and we're going to get rid of that little rectangle there, and I've notched in on that tab, so we're doing that to the top and the bottom there. To pop this card together, before we do that, we're going to add our DSP, and I'm just going to use liquid adhesive for that. I really like this little, it's like icing on the backing of green, and they're in quite a few different colours. There's cinnamon cider, you can get a real red one with your piped icing over the top. It's really pretty. So I've just cut 4 strips of those, and they measure 1 7/8 by 1 7/8 little squares. So it's, because there's no direction on this, you can just pop them straight down before you put the box together. One thing I've learnt, if you've got directional paper, put your box together first, because if you're like me, you'll probably put them the wrong way round. So I'm just going to add some tear and tape to that little tab there, and that's what's going to close our box. So taking the tape off, if you just fold your box around, it lines up perfectly. And where that tab is, that's going to be the back of your box. So I'm just going to add a little bit of liquid adhesive to each of those and to the very front of the box. That's what goes down last. So I'm going to pop my bone folder in, just pressing down to make sure it's nice and stuck together and it works well. Okay, so you're just going to fold this in, and I don't know why I struggled so much, because when I made my first sample, it went together really well. But it does, you fold them in, it does work out. I'll show you how hard it is, and then you'll probably just really make it easy. So you're going to fold that other bit underneath. Yep, there we go. Super cute. Now you can decorate it anyway. I really liked that DSP and to do a little bit of fussy cutting. There's trees, there's bells, there's snowflakes. There's a lot of different designs that you could choose from. I wanted to go with the red bauble. So I'm just going to stick some dimensionals on the back, and then I'm going to bring some of that elegant trim combo, create a nice little bow and stick that on top. Looks perfect. Now if you're in need of any of the supplies that we've used on today's project, you can purchase them in my online store. Use this month's hostess code. I have a wonderful customer loyalty program where I send out a handmade card every month, as well as a bundle tutorial which is packed full of wonderful projects with full colour photos, all your supplies, your dimensions and your instructions all included. And I also have, for the month of December, if you purchase between $50 and $100, you'll receive an online version of a card class. If you spend over $100 using that host code, I'll send you the card kit as well. So for the $100 order, you'll get the kit as well as the class. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope that you've enjoyed this project, and maybe you'll give these a go for your table setting for Christmas morning or Christmas evening, wherever you're celebrating. I have had a lot of fun creating these for you, so I may even do some more up for my own table. If you would like to join in, please just create your project, and then you can pop either a photo in the Facebook post, or you can just tag me in on social media with your Sunday challenge. That would be great as well. All right, everyone, have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you all soon. Okay, bye-bye.